Hello student. Today all of us study about introduction, economic importance. The main topic this is and portion of its very little we will discuss in last year discussed about the general characters, something general points, and also today we will start means mostly here reproductive character. Reproductive character today it is the main point. When this is get over, then take second point. It is now the main character is reproductive character. Here we will take the something important point which is study about all in L2 gymnosperm introduction, gymnosperm and L2. So here we will start the reproductive characters in some condition, not overall. Common character we will study here. So first is something introduction means reproductive character. So here first is the reproductive, just for your memorized, for your memory. Where reproductive organ found? Reproductive organ, reproductive organ always where found? Reproductive organ now just found in cone. This is the organ cone or strobilus. Just last class I taught you the especially organ when the sporangia in compact form then form the formation of cone. Also we can say strobilus. The mostly reproductive organs found in the cone or strobilus. Second one is here mostly reproductive organ which is mostly singular, means separate male cone and female cone, always separate, no mixing, always male cone and female cone separate. Also we can say here is the reproductive organ, the reproductive organs are dioecious, means male and female reproductive organ is separately always. Next one is in neatum. This is the exception. In neatum, always remember in neatum. Also we can say some species of neatum. This is the plant which is some species of neem. Here bisporangiate here bisporangiate con exceptionally found mostly alone either male or female but here in neem two in neem mostly bisporangiate con or strobilus can be found. Next one male con is made up of condensation means male when male con be formed it is the condensation of microsporophyll made up of condensation condensed condition of microsporophyll. What is the condensation and microsporophyll? 1 or 2 class before 1 or 2 days before I just tell about the reproductive organs here sporangia found on different condition when it arranged with stem that condition is known as colon and abaxial surface or adaxial surface mostly abaxial surface of leaf where the sporangia found when in condensed compact condition that is known as the male cone. Male cone means so many microsporophyll get condensed at that time we can say this is the microsporophyll condensed and make a male cone. This can be pelted microsporophyll or cone can be pelted means the type of umbrella. So this male cone can be pelted. I just want to board. Now next one is here. Next point is you can this is all about the mostly reproductive character here. Next one mostly in gymnosperm here when female cone also we can say female cone is the result of mega sporophyll. Female cone is the result of mega sporophyll. But always remember here in cycas mostly no female cone. In cycas no female cone born because in cycas there is only mega sporophyll or ovule found. This is the some character and the next one again Next one is here. Now, just okay. Now, next one is here. The you know mostly when megasporophyll. What is the term megasporophyll? Megasporophyll means when leaf bears ovule, then the structure is called megasporophyll. In cycas, no female cone found, only megasporophyll found. Next one is the ovule found in megasporophyll, where megasporophyll in naked form. This is the special character. Ovule always found in megasporophyll in naked condition. The counting of these can be changed in Cedrus 2, Araucaria 1. Here we can say the the counting of ovule can be changed. This is the something special character of reproductive structure is found. Now we will start the character of gametophytic generation. Character of gametophytic generation. Here we can write gametophytic generation is the character. Something character which is mostly common found in all in all gametophyte of the gymnosperms. So here we will start the gametophytic generation, or also we can say gametophytic generation of gymnosperm. Just a second, we will start. So this is the point where we study about the gametophytic generation character, mostly gametophytic generation character. Here we will start. Now the point is first point, mostly gametophytic generation mostly here the gametophyte plant mostly gametophyte always heterosporous. What means mostly gametophytic plant here heterosporous, and next one mostly here in gymnosperm mostly ovule found as here the is named here which is the orthotropous. Mostly the ovule which is found in gymnosperms, here that is the orthotropous, which is the un a special more character unitagmic. What is means by orthotropous you already study in previous classes. Here just this is the ovule. When micropyle and chalazal and funiculus are in one line. Micropyle and funiculus and chalazal end when present in a simple or straight line, the ovule known as orthotropous. It unitagmic in conditions. Next, two type of gametophyte found here, which is the number one is microspore always form the male gametophyte. Male gametophyte. Male gametophyte. Always remember, the examiner asks you male or female microspore in which condition, male or female. So you know microspore always form the male gametophyte. Remember always in your mind that the male gamete is known as microspores. Next one, here the special character which is differentiate from other, that is prothelial cell, tube cell and stalk cell. Prothelial cell, comma, tube cell and this is rememberable point, prothelial cell, tube cell and stalk cell here found in male gametophyte. This is the special character. Which cells found in male gametophyte? That is the prothelial cell, tube cell, stalk cell. And here the development of gametophyte, male gametophyte, found in two types, before pollination development and after pollination development. So when the genera will be start, then I tell you the development of my male gametophyte and same female gametophyte. So here the microspore always form the male gametophyte. In male gametophyte, prothelial cell, tube cell, stalk cell found. And next one is here cycas and gingo. In both cycas and gingo, here male only it is the only cycas and gingo male gametes are non-motile. This is the most important thing. Cycas and gingo male gametes always non-motile, and already I tell you the about the pollination. Pollination here we can say in gymnosperm age anemophilus always gymnosperm. The process of pollination is known as anemophilus. Mostly we can say by air. In air, pollen grain first released in air, and by air they comes out from the anther and reached to the female gametophyte, where in male gametophyte pollen grain also we can say the first development of male gametophyte where they found, and after pollination in pollen chamber secondary development take place after pollination. So here the cycas and gingo male gametes are non-motile, and pollination in gymnosperm take place by anemophily or anemophilus we can say. Here next one is the formation of female gametophyte. Here the formation of female gameto by which formation of female gametophyte means free nuclear division born by free nuclear division in megaspore. When free nuclear division take place in megaspore, then the formation of female gametophyte is found. Here the ventral canal cell also formed. Now next one is, here the most special character is the formation of endosperm. The formation of, this is the most valuable question, endosperm is before pollination. I told you in previous classes that is the formation of endosperm. Here means also we can say in angiosperm endosperm triploid in condition, because after pollination and fusion of polar nuclei with male gamete, the formation of endosperm take place, that is by triploid. And here the formation of endosperm before pollination take place, that is why the endosperm is haploid. So this is the main difference between gymnospermic and angiospermic endosperm. That is the also asked in your competitive exam also in your college exam, that is the what is difference between angiospermic endosperm and gymnospermic endosperm. That is the in gymnosperm before pollination endosperm formation take place, so it is haploid in nature. But in angiosperm after pollination its formation take place, that the region where angiosperm endo in angiospermic condition endosperm got triploid in condition. So this is the gametophytic character and also reproductive character. Next one, here is the on next day we will taught you about the alternation of generation and something next in L3. So wait, we will meet in next class. Thank you.